This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about axioms. So first of all, what is an axiom? An axiom is a statement which we accept without any mathematical proof. So it's not like a theorem where, for example, we can have the proof for, say, Pythagoras' theorem or any other theorem you might know from your course. The axioms are things that we accept without any proof. And a few axioms are listed here below. So axiom 1, the 2 points axiom, is that there is exactly one line through any two given points. So with a lot of these axioms, they seem like things which seem a bit weird to even think about, but if we have 2 points, there is only one line, straight line, that will pass through both of those points. Next, there are several axioms related to the distance between 2 points. One is that distance is never a negative number. So we never measured the distance between 2 points to be -3 centimeters, for example. Another axiom is that the distance between A and B is the same as the distance from B to A. So what that means is it doesn't matter where you start measuring from and end, the measurement you make will be the same on a straight line. If the point C lies on the line AB between A and B, then the distance from A to B can be split up into the distance of A to C plus the distance from C to B. So that means if we have a straight line, AB, and we draw in a point C, then the distance from A to B can be split up into the sum of these two smaller distances, AC, plus the distance CB. Another axiom to do with rulers and lines is that if we're given any ray from the point X and a distance d greater than 0, there's exactly one point Y on the ray whose distance from X is d. This property means that we can mark off a distance, say 4 centimeters, on a ray from a point X and call this point Y. The length of the line segment XY will also be 4 centimeters. So that just means if we have a straight line and it starts from the point X and we go a distance of, say, 4 centimeters, then this is just one point and we can call it Y. The third axiom I want to talk about is the Protractor Axiom. So the properties of the degree measure of angles are that a straight angle has 180 degrees and all angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. The second is given the ray AB and a number between 0 and 180, there is exactly one ray from A on each side of the line AB that makes an ordinary angle having d degrees with the line AB. So again, it might just be easier to see that in a picture. If we have a ray AB and we have some angle between 180 degrees, so just say d degrees, there's exactly two rays that we can draw from A that give you an angle of d degrees. So these two angles are both d degrees. The last part of the Protractor Axiom says that if an angle is divided into two smaller angles, then these two smaller angles add up to the original angle. So if you take an angle, say here, and we draw in another line that splits it up, these two smaller angles here and here add up to this bigger angle that we started with here. So this angle here. The last axiom I'm just going to mention is the axiom of parallels. Given any line L and a point P, there is exactly one line through P that is parallel to the line L. So again, a picture helps here. If we have a line L, so this is our line L, and we have our point P, say it's here, then there's exactly one line that goes through P, which is parallel to L. So our point P, and this line here is parallel to our line L.